안녕하세요. Hello, Teacher Rika. Oh. Asa Gritchel daw? Hello, Gritchel. You're not replying to my message. 안녕하세요.
Welcome to the Philippines.
Oh.
Sasayo.
안녕하세요. Mawaw mo? No shy. Hi. Cold. Oh. Oh. Where's the opener? Royal. Oh. So, I told him to prepare Mountain Dew, sir. I told Teacher Rika, please prepare cold Mountain Dew. Open? Oh, okay, it's open. Name.
150.
Wow. Wow. Sir, Teacher Gretchel charged me. So expensive. Oh. Wow, 50 pesos. At mall, 10 pesos. So expensive. 5 times the price. Oh.
애들 과자 먹을래?
Oh, do you want to eat daw? Oh.
애들 다 데리고 와. 라핫.
Lahat daw. Oh.
스타딩룸. 고.
Oh.
리.
Sige na.
빨리 가.
Oh. Oh, biscuits. Oh, snacks. Oh.
아니 다른 애 어너더 베이비.
Oh.
후.
Yung mga classmate. Asa yung mga classmate? Nangato?
Oh, pukawa.
친구들 다 데리고 와 빨리.
Oh. Oh. Go. Oh. Asa sari-sari store.
Daghan kayo. Di ka?
Oh. Wow, too many. Oh, you go by there.
애들 빨리 데리고.
Ah.
라또.
Go. Oh.
오케이.
Kuha daw mga tukuan. Bring babies.
브링 베이비.
Oh, 2,000.
아이.
Oh, buy snacks.
Wala ay gihatag snacks si Charini.
안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Oh.
Malitag snacks lang. O yung mga kuan. Para
We'll go
mga
buy.
snacks, ha?
안녕하세요. So we're here at Song area where Teacher Rika and Teacher Gritchel. So they're now distributing the snacks given by Victorini. Kinsay gahatag sa snacks? Victorini.
Abang sa tanan ko kaya mo. Salamat mo sa Lang palubog bagli. 1, 2, 3.
It's okay. Dre, linya dre, padool mo be. O, dili mag-away. Linya lang. Okay. Get one lang. O, go. Hello, annyeonghaseyo. So, this is Shania. We're here at Kalubihan area. Akina, Andrea, and April. Oh, asa day mo? Giingnan man mo nga dili manglakaw. Nagpabadlong.
Shy.
Oh, shy.
Shy, don't shy.
Shy na yun.
Okay. This is Shania, April, Andrea. You will go to Aguila Resort tomorrow. Okay ra ba ninyo? Sure. Tomorrow ha. Pag-prepare na mo dalon sa dadon ninyo. Pasabot.
Yes, sir.
Kamusad, duha. Pag-prepare.
Bikini.
Oh, no bikini.
Bikini allowed.
No bikini allowed. No bikini allowed ha. No bikini. Oh.
Sir, kuyog ka, sir, ha? Ipendo ha.
Oh. Okay? Oh. Annyeonghaseyo. So we're here at Kabatukan area. So hello. Too hot, sir. Oh, why shy? Oh, practice. Annyeonghaseyo. So we're here at Genevieve's house. Which one? Asa man jud? Asa ning duha?
Ari mo magtaganan siya.
Oh, you sleep here nya. Kinsa ning house? Oh, this one. Yeah, very small. Sister, sir. Sister's house. Hello, good afternoon. Hi. Oh, this one. This Genevieve, all?
This one.
This one. Yeah, she sleep here, sir. Oh. Small, sir, very small. Oh. You collect plastic bottles? You have plastic bottles? Oh. Ready na mo para tomorrow? Oh. So ready na yung sanina. We. Oh, ready na daw tapos ang sanina wala pa.
사리사리 가.
어.
어제 땅땅이는 샀으니까 몰라.
Umana, done. Mana siya yesterday. So, Genevieve and Venice, Genevieve only. Oh, also. So, Victory name told you nga, anak siya ninyo nga, adto mo sari-sari store. Pick whatever you want. Kuha inyo gusto. Bawal mo tudlo inyong ginikanan. Kamura, unsa inyo gusto. Kasabot. Bisag unsa. Okay? Oh, let's go. Oh. Go. No, you. Stay here. Calchis, not calchis. Oh. O, butangi dira. Pila ka buok. O, pila ka buok calchis. Pila ka buok magic ko na. Oh. You put. Pila ka buok siya. Oh. How about you, Vinis? Unsay nasuwat mo, Vinis? Oh, calchis. Strong spelling also. Dewey. Oh. Cloud9. Oh. Okay ra. Te palihog kog kwinta. Sure na jud na? Punan? Dili na punan, Venice? Genevieve, sure? Venice, are you sure? Oh, final answer. Hello. Oh, muna na tanan all? Oh, asa? Oh. Oh, what will you say?
Churim, annyeonghaseyo, 감사합니다.
Let's go now. Pwede na niyo iuli.
아빠 지금.
Bye-bye! 안녕하세요. So we're here at Mar Beach area with Teacher Saul. So we're going to the study room first to visit the study room. 안녕하세요. No, House of Marian. Hello. Yeah. So the study room is inside of Marian's house, Teacher Mirasol's house. Oh, hello. Thank you. Pwede mo salod. Hello, annyeong.
이렇게?
Asa study room? Study room, sir, is at the second upstairs. Kwarto? Isang kwarto, te. Isang kwarto? So, careful, sir. Oops. It's okay, sir. So, ano yung study room? Tumay di ay? I thought dako. Kanina yun, saan is niya?
Kwarto ni Marian.
Too many napkin. Sige, kaka lang. Nana siya. They have day, Sunday.
여기 있을 게 아니라 가서 사리사리.
Sari-sari.
여기.
안녕하세요. So we're here at Angeli's house. Not here? Wala direte? Wala. So asa ka ha? Where are you, Angeli? Hello. Who's Angeli? Ikaw Angeli? This is Angeli. 안녕하세요. No hands ha, dili na mag-hands.
tomorrow 갈까요?
Tomorrow daw kuyog ka sa Aguila Resort with Teacher Marian. Okay ra? Okay. With Marian.
보고 싶어.
Sure? Okay. Sige, bye-bye. Aling, join na lang muna mo. Maganda snacks. Snacks for snacks. Come here. Go. Also. So, we're going to buy some snacks at our store. Sir, Chair, asa ta? Okay, we will go to Kia's house. Wanak no panty. So, Kia? Kia's house. So, we're going to Kia's house. So, we're here at Kia's house. That's Kia? That's Kia? Who's Kia?
안녕하세요, sir.
Who's Kia? Kia, come here. Kia. Hi, Kia. Hello, come here. Don't share. This is Kia.
걔도 갈까요?
Kia, ano si sir nga
갈까요?
pwede ra ba ka mukuyog sa tomorrow Aguila Resort? Ang kuyog nyo kay si name Angeli, you, Teacher Marian, kisa pa to next? This one also, this kid, Chelsea. Chelsea. Tomorrow 9 AM dapat na mo ngadto. Okay? So pag-prepare mo, gawas mo dira kay we will go to sari-sari store. Okay? Okay. Pagdala bata, go. Bring. Bata, babies. Come here, baby. Come here. Babies. So, we're going now to sari-sari store. So, annyeonghaseyo. So, Kia and Anjali are distributing the snacks for the children or kids here in the beach area. Okay, linya lang. Asa mo na? Linya lang. Go lines.
Gida nila ko.
Okay, linya. Hoy, Kia, pick. Kia. Kia. Oh, 500 worth. How? 500. Oh,
Saan nga color sa wing? Orange?
oh, so siya. So, Anjali, pick this. Corned beef. Sardines.
Okay, yung sardinas, ay 27 man eh.
Join! Join!
Saman mo. Happy mo, dili. Oy, pinugos. Sama na, nagkaon ka candy? Oh, eating candy. Oh.
Ano, 5, ano siya, 75. 391.
Oh, plus points, floor walk.
42 o 25. Naraha.
Oh, plus points. Plus points, floor walks for school.
Pila to po.
Some model. Oh. Asa daw? Sulit na sulit to.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Kamsahamnida.